Oh shit, dark side. Yo. Oh hey, what you guys doing here? Oh, you want that drop shadow for your webcam border? Say no more fam, say no more, I got you. Stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, open Adobe Photoshop, no matter what version you have. So it's going to be the same process, the way we did the rounded webcam border. If you haven't checked that video out, I'm gonna leave it here somewhere on top. Check that out and then come back to this video and we're gonna do the drop shadow for the webcam the way I have it here currently around on my webcam. So okay, so why would you want to have a drop shadow added to your webcam? I'd say it looks cool, it looks pro, and damn, it just adds that finesse to your stream. I don't know. Now, when I say finesse to your stream, I mean to the look of your stream. Alright, so let's get into it. First thing you want to do is open a new file. So we're doing again 1920 by 1080. Let me just name this Shadow of War. Let's make a Shadow 1. Okay. Right, so now you have your background. What you want to do is unlock that. Okay, and then you want to so we're gonna do the rectangular again. Select the rounded rectangular tool. Again, just double click instead of dragging it out, the shape that you want. Let's make that 1920 by 1080. And I mean, this time I'm gonna make it 140. But like I said, I usually stick between 120 and 140. But you know what? Let's do 120 since we made the webcam border 120 yesterday. So I'm not sure really how to make it for all, but so I'm typing in each one. Like I said, you don't need to be a pro to create these shadows and webcam borders. You don't need to be a pro. So the expert level you're on is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, please. Okay, right now I've got your shape. Okay, I don't know why this thing keeps on coming up as purple, but it don't matter. All right, so now you've got your shape there. So what you want to do now is you want to go to layer 1 and you want to this icon here, you want to click on that so that it becomes invisible, so that the background is a transparent background. All right, now we go click again on rounded rectangular and then press Ctrl T. That is to transform the so you can resize it. Okay, so you want to resize it because this falls behind the webcam, so it doesn't have to be the same size. You're only using it as a drop shadow, as a background to your webcam border. So I'll say that's about enough, and then just apply, drag it to the middle. Let's snap in place there, and there we go. Right, now this as it is, it's currently too dark. Alright, so what you want to do is right click on it and rasterize. No, what am I saying? Is rasterize the layer. Rasterize, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, once you've done that, you want to go to filter, blur, and then add a Gaussian. I'm not sure how you say this, but you want to add that blur. Alright, and you can, so okay, now you've got the blur on. So now you have to set the radius. Let's try 15. Okay, I think I'm whoa, that's too much. I'm gonna stick to 20, right? Press OK. Now as it is, that is still too dark. Alright, it is still too dark. If you prefer that way, you can keep it like that. But what you want to do next is you want to go to opacity. And you just want to drag this further down to make it lighter. Because after all, it is a shadow. Am I right? So let's leave it. So I'm going to leave this at 77%. Alright? Around 77%. Alright, so now you've got your shadow ready. Okay, now that you have your shadow ready, this is where the difference comes in. So previously with the webcam border, you would export as a JPEG. But this one, you're going to export as a PNG. So make sure that the layer, the background layer, it's not visible. And right click, export as. very important here, you have to ensure that you have transparency ticked. You gotta have transparency ticked. If you don't have it ticked, it won't come out with a transparent background, and that is the most important part of this. You want to have the transparent background. So PNG transparent, export. Right, we're gonna export it to where we saved the other folders. So you can see there's already two drop shadows there. I'm gonna name this shadow 1, and there we go. Now you have your shadow saved. Right, so next thing you want to do is you want to go over to your Streamlabs or OBS, open that up. Okay, so I've got a wallpaper here just so that you guys can actually see the effect of the shadow. So as you can see, we already applied the image mask blend. Go check that video out if you haven't, on how to create this border. But we're going to add the drop shadow, not a shadow. We're going to add the drop shadow that we just created. So what you want to do here is you want to add a source and add the image source. All right, let's choose different. Let's call that shadow. All right, add the source. Now browse. Please don't look at my pictures. All right, there we go. What's it called? Shadow 1. There we go. And done. Now you already see it's already over the webcam. So what you want to do is you want to put the image source below your webcam so that your webcam appears above it. Very important. Right, now we're going to resize the shadow. Okay, we're going to resize this just so that it is, you know, depending how you want to put it all over like that, or you want to have it fall to the back, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's have it like that, and booyah, just like that, you've leveled up the look of your stream by adding a drop shadow to your webcam. As simple and easy as that, guys. That is how you do it. Like I said, you don't need to be a pro at Adobe. I'm certainly not a pro, though I'm being impressed with myself as to how fast I've created this. But it's so easy, guys. It blew my mind. I'll say again, it blew my mind when I found out how easy it is to create these webcam borders and the drop shadow. Okay, so just another tip, if you want to move these together, see if I move the one, it's gonna move. You can add them, you can list them together in a folder. So I think you create a folder, you add a group or folder, right? And then you just drag your webcam and your shadow in there. Again, make sure the shadow appears below the webcam. And now you can drag it and resize it all around like that. And just like that, you have created a webcam border and a drop shadow for your live streams, Twitch, Facebook gaming, YouTube, whatever. And that's it, guys. I hope that you found this video informative and that it helped you. As long as it helped even one person, I'm glad. I'm happy man. But as always, guys, if you can smash that like button if you found this helpful, I do appreciate it. It helps the channel out, and do consider subscribing. It is free and it helps the channel grow. Yeah, and then that's it. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next video, streaming tips or reactions. So keep an eye on my YouTube channel because there are things coming. Peace.